What if you gave a client advice and they claimed your advice cost them money? What if a customer said you made a mistake that damaged their business or caused financial loss? And suddenly they're threatening to sue. Here's what most small business owners don't realize. You can get sued even if you did everything right. Hey, cleaning family, Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor here. And today we're talking about a type of insurance that protects you not from physical accidents, but from professional mistakes, misunderstandings, and claims of your work quality. This is professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omission insurance, through Next Insurance. And in today's world, if you're providing a service, guidance, or expertise, you need this protection. Let's break down why. This video is powered by Next Insurance. What is professional liability insurance? Professional liability protects you when a client says, you didn't do what you promised. You made an error that cost me money. You failed to deliver expected results. And now they're blaming you. It covers claims of negligence, claims of mistakes, errors or incompetence, or incomplete work, claims of breach of contract, legal costs if you're sued, even if the claim is false. But yes, someone can sue you even if it's not true. Without professional liability, you pay for legal fees and settlements out of your pocket. With it, insurance steps in and defends your business. Don't think that this applies to cleaning? Let me give you some real life scenarios. A cleaner uses a wrong product. Floors get damaged. A cleaning crew misses important areas before a move-in. A client loses their renter's deposit. Post-construction dust wasn't completely removed and it delays contractor inspections. A scheduling mistake causes the client to lose a showing or a sale. A client claims poor quality caused a financial loss. Even if you know it wasn't your fault, the claim itself is expensive to fight. This policy protects your finances, your reputation, your stress levels, and the ability to keep working through legal issues. If you train contractors, offer consulting or mentorship, bid commercial contracts, give cleaning recommendations, manage products or clients, offer specialized service like floors, carpets, or post-construction, you're seen as an expert. And experts could be sued for professional mistakes. The bigger your business becomes, the higher the expectations, the bigger the risk. This coverage grows with your professionalism. This video is powered by Next Insurance, the smarter, faster way to get coverage for your cleaning business. Don't wait until it's too late. Grab your free quote today by using the link in the description of this video. So why Next Insurance? Because Next Insurance understands service-based businesses. They know our risks. They allow you to customize your coverage fast. What I love the most about Next is that everything can be done online with no phone calls. Their certificates are sent immediately. It's affordable. The coverage scales as you scale. It's easy to add to your existing policy, and it's designed for small, growing businesses. Whether you're solo or you're running multiple teams, Next simplifies protection. You can protect both your actions and your professional reputation. Professional liability helps you win bigger contracts. When you apply for commercial buildings, corporate offices, high-end properties, and government contracts, they often ask for professional liability. Why? Because they want to ensure that if you make a costly mistake, they're not liable. The insurance helps you qualify for higher-paying jobs, long-term contracts, and risk-sensitive clients. It proves that your business is legit, qualified, trustworthy, and professionally responsible. It instantly sets you apart from the cheap cleaners with no backup plan. What does it protect against? Professional liability covers you when a client claims that your work has caused financial loss, damaged business reputation, contract delays, missed deadlines, and poor performance. It's not about physical injury. That's general liability. It's about professional performance. Think of it as protection for your judgment, not just your actions. Smart CEOs do not wait for problems. Here's what I need every business owner to hear. You don't get insurance because you expect problems. You get insurance because problems happen when you least expect them. It protects your mental peace, your financial stability, your future opportunities. You are building something bigger than a one client argument. Don't let one accusation take it all away. Now it's time to level up. So if you offer professional services or expertise, want to win commercial contracts, want added protection from lawsuits and misunderstandings, and are scaling and want peace of mind, then Next Insurance Professional Liability is your next step. Tap the link below or in the description of this video. Checking your rates in your area only takes a few minutes. You can protect your reputation and your business today. Because being a CEO isn't just about working hard, it's about protecting what you're building. This video is powered by Next Insurance.